Hello everyone! Today's nail art is a butterfly for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Here are the materials you will need, and they are also linked in the description below. Step 1. We will start off by creating the wings of the butterfly. I draw a butterfly wing shape as you can see here. Step 2. Use hard gel to fill in the shape. I did this for around 3 layers and cured after each layer. Don't worry if the gel seeps outside the lines, as you could always cut it off with scissors later. Step 3. On the top part of the wing, take a small brush with the lightest pink nail polish, color on the outside edge of the wings to create the top half of a heart. This might sound really complicated, so stay tuned as it's easier to see what I'm trying to say. Repeat this step for your middle pink color. For your last dark pink color, create a heart like I am doing. Then, on the bottom part of the wing, use your middle pink to create the full heart and the light pink color on the edge. Step 4. I forgot to record the step, but just use a thin brush to outline the colors in black if you would like, and then use a no-wipe gel top coat and cure in a UV or LED lamp. Step 5. Repeat all the steps for a second wing. You can use the same original drawing of the wing or trace it again flipped. Step 6. You can easily remove the wing from the wax paper after it's cured, and you might need tweezers. Use hard gel or gel top coat to stick on the wings onto a nail while holding them up as they cure. I painted the base color of my nail white and decided for the head and body of the butterfly to be black. I also added special black nail art wire to resemble the butterfly's antenna. Step 7. This is the last step. Just put gel top coat or hard gel all over everything to lock it in place and cure. Then, admire your masterpiece! I know this seemed like a lot, and it is, but I think the results are worth it. Please let me know if you would like more Valentine's Day videos. Thank you for watching!